Hello everyone, welcome to the Gate Engineering online learning classes. Today, in this video, we will discuss about the logic gates using multiplexer. We will see how we can design any logic gate with the help of multiplexer. In the last lecture, we have already seen what is multiplexer, what is 2 is to 4, 2 is to 1 multiplexer, what is 4 is to 1 multiplexer. You can see the link of that video at the top right corner as a V card. So, now in today's class, we will discuss about the logic gates that all of you already know what is logic gates. We'll discuss about the logic gates using multiplexer. Using multiplexer. So in this video, we will discuss two input gate like that, OR gate, AND gate, XOR gate. We will see NOT gate also, which is a one input gate. So we'll start from the NOT gate. Very basic gate, that is the NOT gate, which consists of only one input. Like that, input is 1. If input is A, output is Y equal to A complement. So this is the NOT gate that everyone know. So in this gate, first we'll write a truth table. For any logic gate designing using multiplexer, first write the truth table of logic gate. So input is A, output is Y, and if input is 0, output of logic gate is 1, NOT gate is 1. If input is 1, output of NOT gate is 0. That everyone knows. So, thereafter, constructing the truth table that we have right now, we will find out the slack lines. And here we have only one input line. We can use the smallest multiplexer like that, 2 is to 1 multiplexer. Because at least one slack line should be required. So we'll use here A as a slack lines. We will use here A as a slack line, A as a slack line, and we will find out the value of I0 and I1. That is the aim of this class. So we are writing 2 is to 1 mux with one slack line, that is the A, and always we will be having one output line, that is Y. Now for 2 is to 1 multiplexer, we will be having two input lines. One is the I0, one is the I1. Okay, so draw the one horizontal line between different value of slack line like that. Here s equal to 0. For s equal to 0, y should be I0. As per the truth table of the multiplexer, we know s and y. If s is 0, y is I0. If s is 1, y is I1. That we have seen in the last class. So as per this concept, this A is equal to S, so S equal to 0. So this 1 is equal to I0. For S equal to 1, this 0 is I1. So we got the value of I0 and I1 here. I0 equal to 0 and I1 equal to 1. So now we got all the information of this multiplexer. What is the information? Value of I0 and I1. And here A is the slack lines, that is S equal to 0 is one case, S equal to 1 is another case. For S equal to 0, value of Y is I0, that is equal to 1 in the NOT gate. S equal to 1, value of Y is equal to I1, which is equal to 0 in the NOT gate. So we will verify whatever we are getting here from this 2 is to 1 multiplexer is correct or not. So we got 2 is to 1 multiplexer. Slack line is A, output is Y, inputs are I0 is 1. Here we can see I0 is 1 and I1 is 0. Here I0 is 1 and I1 is 0. So I0 is 1 and I0 is 0. Here we can see this I0 is 1 and I1 is 0. So we are writing here. So if we write the expression of this multiplexer, you know what is the expression of 2 is to 1 multiplexer? Y is equal to S bar I0 plus S I1. That we know. Y equal to S bar. This is the S. This is I0. This one is the S. This is I0. This is I1. So for 2 is to 1 multiplexer, expression of Y is S bar I0 plus S I1. It means that if s equal to 0, y equal to I0, if s equal to 1, y equal to I1. So here, if we substitute the value of s, I0 and I1 in this expression, we can see a bar into 1 plus a into 0. So y is equal to a bar, which is nothing but expression for the NOT gate. Similar way, now we'll see another logic gate, that is the OR gate. Designing of OR gate using multiplexer. So first step is to write the truth table. Truth table of OR gate we'll write here. Let's consider y is equal to a plus b, that everyone know. Inputs are a, b, output is y. For 0 0, output is 0. For 0 1, output is 1. For 1 0, output is 1. And for 1 1, output is also 1. So this is the truth table of OR gate. Now next step is that construct the multiplexer. So here we'll use 2:1 multiplexer. 2:1. And for 2:1, two input lines I0 and I1, one output line Y. For two input lines, we require one slack line. So now point is that what is the slack line here? Either A or B. We can choose anyone, it's up to you, but easiest way, you always choose left side slack lines. Always choose n minus 1 slack lines. What is the meaning of n minus 1 slack lines? If we have n number of inputs in the expression, like here, we have two inputs. Choose 2 minus 1 slack lines. So 1 is the slack line, which is A. A is our slack line here. So S is equal to A. And we'll draw one horizontal line for different value of slack line. So 1 is the 0 0. Here 1 is the 1 1. So this is the case when S is equal to 0. This is the case when S is equal to 1. Now we'll see. We'll verify the truth table for S equal to 0, for A equal to 0, what is the expression for Y in terms of B. Point is that for S equal to 0, for A equal to 0, what is the expression, what is the relation of Y and B. So this Y is equal to B for S equal to 0. So this Y equal to B is nothing but I0 is equal to B. For S equal to 0, Y is equal to I0. For S equal to 1, this is I1, which is Y equal to I1. Here we don't have any relation between Y and B, but we can see whatever value of S equal to 1, always we are getting Y equal to 1. For S equal to 1, we are getting I1 equal to 1. So we can write I0 equal to B and I1 is equal to 1. So we got this multiplexer, we got the information of the I0 and I1 in case of the OR gate. I will repeat the entire thing. First we'll write the truth table. Input and output, always select n minus 1 number of slack lines for n number of input in the expression. In this case, we have two input lines. In this case, we have two variables in the expression A and B, and we'll use n minus 1 slack line. It means one slack line, that is the A. So this is the smallest multiplexer what we can use in this way. So A is our slack line, and we'll draw the horizontal line for different value of A. One is the 0 0. So these two expressions for S equal to 0, and these two rows are for S equal to 1. Now we'll verify, we'll check what is the value of, what is the expression of Y in terms of B, what is the relation between Y and B for different value of S. For S equal to 0, you know Y equal to I0. So I0 is equal to B here. For S equal to 1, Y is equal to I1, which is equal to 1. It is not with 0 equal to, it is not matching with any relation with B. So we got I0 and I1, which is B and 1. Slack line is A, output is Y. So this is the 2:1 mux for OR gate. Now we'll verify we are getting A plus B or not. So Y is equal to A bar into B as S bar I0 plus A into 1 as S into I1. So we'll further simplify it. For simplification, you know A bar B plus A can be written as A bar plus A into B plus A by using some Boolean's law. So A bar plus A is 1 into A plus B we can write. So this Y is equal to A plus B. So this multiplexer is perfectly fit for the OR gate. In a similar way, we can design some more. So I will give you one more example like that for AND gate. AND gate. So in AND gate, first we'll do write a truth table A, B, and Y. For 0, 0, output is 0. For 0, 1, output is 1. Output is 0. For 1, 0, output is again 0. For 1, 1, output is 1. So now we'll select some slack lines. So n minus 1 slack lines we'll use. So A is our slack line here. A is our slack line here. This A is nothing but the slack line. A. Inputs are I0 and I1. We will have to find the value of I0 and I1 now. For s equal to 0, these are the two expressions. For s equal to 1, these are the two. So for s equal to 0, we will check the value relation in y and b. So here y is 0 in both cases. So we can write I0 equal to 0. And here we can see y is equal to b. For s equal to 1, when if b is 0, y is 0. If b is 1, y is 1. So we can write I1 is equal to b. So this is 0 and this is b. If you write the expression from here, y is equal to a bar dot 0 plus a dot b. So this is nothing but a dot b. In similar manner, you can try with some more gates. Like that, if I write expression for XOR gate, if I write the XOR gate, one more I will do. XOR gate, expression is A XOR B. For y equal to A XOR B, input is A, B, output is Y. For 0, 0, output is 0. For 0, 1, output is 1. For 1, 0, output is 1. For 1, 1, output is 0. So this is the truth table for the XOR gate, and we know for odd number of inputs high, output will be high. So first selection of the slack line, one is the s equal to A. Slack line is our A. This is A is our slack line. Now we'll see the value. We'll find out the value of I0 and I1 in this case again. I0 and I1. So this is the s equal to 0. This is the s equal to 1 because s equal to A. Now here we can see y is equal to b. So you can write I0 equal to b. Here you can see for s equal to 1, b is 0, y is 1. If s equal to 1, b is 1, y is 0. So this is nothing but b complement. So I0 is b and I1 is b complement, and this is our y. If we write the expression for this multiplexer, as for I0, that is the a bar b plus ab bar, that is the si1. So this is nothing but A XOR B, that everyone knows. So in similar manner, you can also design a multiplexer for NOT gate, multiplexer for NOR gate, multiplexer for NAND gate, multiplexer for XNOR gate, and all the logic gates we can design. In the next video, we will discuss about some more expressions like the designing of the half adder with the help of multiplexer, designing of full adder, designing of subtractors with the help of multiplexer, designing of any Boolean expression with the help of multiplexer, that I will explain in the next video. For that, please subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching this video.